acting studio. Come on in. This is our studio, Dawnnie Mercado. Parents, you need to know I'm a parent too, and I will cherish your kids' dreams for enrichment or professionalism in the arts as though they were my own. Here's a little tour of what we do. Here we go, acting in person, acting online, Zoom classes, self-paced, mentorship program. I privately coach. We create original theater from improv. We have magic classes, singing for musical theater, drama for little ones, acting enrichment, professional acting. Check out our self-paced animated acting classes for kids. This is a new website. You're going to see that every single link scrolls to the checkout, and in the checkout it will tell you every way to enroll with us. There is the enrichment track, the professionals track, and the mentorship track. And you can also purchase, there is the animated youth acting A through Z, and the one for teens and adults. And I have a tips bundle right here too, so please check it all out. All right, see you soon.